So I made up to $570 in profit in trading forex, and this was the withdrawal. And I want to show you guys the strategy I use that is working in 2026, and one of the latest strategies that is working is involved. Like, this strategy is what I use to make that kind of amount of money, and today's video I want to show you guys how I did it and how you can do it, how you should start trading with this same strategy that I used to make up to $572. So guys, in case you're coming across me for the first time, my name is Lewel, and this channel I talk about how to become a better trader and how to make more money when trading forex. Hey there. Hey, and welcome back. So now the first thing I want to talk about this strategy is the fact that you need a moving average. That is, you are working on the 50 EMA. So you have to go to your indicators and search for moving average. If you're using MetaTrader 5, you can search the moving average and set the EMA to 50. Then also for the trading view too, you can also have there's moving average everywhere, and this is GoFX. So now this is 50 moving average strategy. This is 50 EMA strategy, moving average. So first of all, once you have it now, there are a few rules to this strategy now. What we want to see now, because we are looking for buys, you want to see something like this happen. Let me look for the parts. Okay, let me see. So you want to see something like this. You want to see the price break above this moving average first, right? That is the first rule. That is the first thing you want to see. So let me play price forward and see what's up. So now look at it now. It's broke above it a little bit, right? So now you're going to put this place as our key interest. So what we want to do now is to look for a vertical line like this and place it above. So we want to see price come down to this place. Let me see. We want to see price come up to this place and come down again. Now what we want to see is, we don't want to see market go below the moving average. If it go below it, that means it's not valid. So we want to see price go up and come down to this moving average, then go back up. Once it is there, it leaves the moving average with a wick. That means we are looking forward to buy. If it doesn't, we are not looking forward to do anything. And this is the exact trade I use, and I made up to that $570. So let's play price forward. Very good. Now price have broken above it. Now we won't rush in entering yet. I want to see price come back again and touch this moving average, or maybe come close to it, then before we can look for buy. So let's play price forward, and it came back with weak, but that's not enough. And now here we go. You can see price have entered this place. So now if you're paying attention so much to the chart, you can look for your buy trades around here. What am I doing? Sorry. So you can look for our buy trades around this place, like this. This is exactly how I got this whole buy. As you can see, I got it, and this was the upside, and I made that amount of money. So guys, that is the end of the video. If you found this video meaningful, hit the like and subscribe button. I remain well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yes, this one.